of Malaysian folklore, the timeless story of Bawang Putih. Bawang Putih's mother had died a long time ago, and her father married another wife. In the beginning, his stepmother was kind to her, but after Bawang Merah was born, she changed. She began to treat Bawang Putih unkindly, but pampered her own daughter. Bawang Merah was always given good food, a comfortable mattress to sleep on, and beautiful clothes to wear. But her stepmother was two-faced. When her father was at home, Bawang Putih was treated well. She ate with Bawang Merah and slept on an equally comfortable mattress. Unfortunately, her father was seldom at home. He was almost always away because of his work. Every time he returned, he brought presents for his wife and both daughters. But Bawang Putih's gifts were actually snatched away by his stepmother. One day, Bawang Putih saw that Bawang Merah was wearing her late mother's golden bangle, the only precious memory she had left from her beloved mother. She politely asked for it to be returned. Bawang Putih refused and quickly complained to her mother instead. Sadly, Bawang Putih was treated and beaten unfairly. She was always given the hard work to do around the house. She had to collect and cut firewood, clean and do all the chores in the house. Bawang Putih took a pail and went to the river. She sat and cried her heart out. She thought of her own mother. If only she was alive, I would not be something like this. Suddenly, she heard a voice. Don't cry, Bawang Putih. I'm here. Who's that? The girl asked. I'm Auntie Kala. I live by this river. Bawang Putih turned around. A woman with golden lattice hair was looking at her. Your mother used to help me, and now I would like to repay her kindness by helping you, said Kaloi. Thank you, Auntie Kaloi, said Bawang Putih. From then on, every day, Bawang Putih will go to see Auntie Kaloi and bring her some kueh. She felt happier now. Her stepmother soon began to feel suspicious. One afternoon, she hid behind a tree and saw that Bawang Merah was talking to her former best friend, Kalen. She was afraid that Kalen might reveal her secret to Bawang Putih. She later told Bawang Merah to go to the river, and while they are eating kueh, they must push the woman with the golden lattice hair into the river. The wicked stepmother instead of and I will take care of the rest. The next day, Bawang Merah sat by the river waiting. As soon as he saw them talking and eating by the river, she quickly pushed Kaloi into the river and ran home out of breath. Bawang Putih was shocked and could do nothing as she could not swim. So she returned home sadly. That night, her father returned home from his trip. Everyone was surprised when he arrived with a royal escort, including a prince and Kaloi. The stepmother and Bawang Merah were horrified to discover that Kaloi was alive. Kaloi revealed that she was actually the queen of the Tian Kingdom, who had been searching for a kind-hearted and noble young lady to become the wife of her grandson. In the end, Bawang Merah was chosen to marry the prince, and her father finally uncovered all the evil deeds and secrets of a stepmother and bone mirrors. The moral first was discovered that kindness, patience, and honesty will always be around, while jealousy, cruelty, and greed will eventually lead sorrow and regret. Thank you.